Hey, it's Andy here from Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and today I'm super excited to share my experience with the InOasis R1 digital voice recorder. A high quality, full touchscreen recorder packed with impressive features, from Bluetooth to intelligent STD transcription and more. We're going to dive into everything this device can do, including a demo showing how easy to set up, how versatile it is in different scenarios, and how it fits into everyday life. Let's jump in. Also guys, if you wish to purchase this beauty, click on the links below. And now let's start by doing an unboxing. So let's get this recorder out of the box. Firstly, first impression, it's sleek and compact with a really premium feel. Inside we have the 72 gig R1 voice recorder, a USB-C charging cable, a quick start walkthrough, setup and features guide. The device is also lightweight, feels sturdy, with a 3.69 inch HD touchscreen that makes it easy to navigate. Now guys, this recorder isn't just simply a voice recorder. It's packed with dual mics for top-notch audio capture and 6 recording modes to fit a range of needs. Whether you're a student, a journalist, a doctor, a writer, or someone like me that does YouTube channel, you need reliable recording on the go. This device adapts to you. So let's go through the different modes. So let's now have a look at the 6 recording modes that the R1 can handle. We'll start with, you've got the general mode, which is there right at the top, as you can see just there. So general mode is perfect for most situations, giving you balanced sound. The next one is meeting mode, just below that. So meeting mode, just below, so there, is ideal for recording in larger rooms, in like conference spaces or offices, even if you're further from the speaker. Interview mode is designed to capture voices clearly when the source is farther away, like during interview or press events. Lecture mode is perfect for those lecture halls or outdoor settings where the source is at a distance. And pocket mode, guys, well, if you want discrete recording, which is one just down there, it allows you to put in your bag, your pocket, and you can record people. The other one is automation mode as well. So it gives you 2 recording options, and also uses voice activation, so it only captures what's needed. So the great thing is, with all these modes, guys, you can do whatever you need to record. And I've used other voice recorders, and I haven't actually had this feature before as well, to be able to customize depending on what you want. So guys, I recently used the R1 for a conference call, and it worked perfectly, capturing every voice clearly. It's especially useful for meetings where multiple people are speaking. The dual mic system with DSP and RTC technology ensures recordings are clear and filters out unwanted noise. You can also plug in external microphone using the adapter just there, 3.5mm jack, so similar to the microphone I'm using here, and it allows you to record. A great feature if you're at an event or need to capture audio from afar. So when you're ready to listen, connect your headphones to speakers through the same jack for playback, or just play directly on your phone. And with Bluetooth connectivity, you can connect directly to your phone or laptop to save or share files seamlessly. It's really good. Now I've been recording with the device at the moment by pressing record, and as you can see, it's actually recording my voice there, but also doing a transcription at the same time. So let's pause that, pause, and save it. And what I want to do now is save it. So it's going to create the transcript on it just there, as you can see. I can wait, that's fine. So what it's doing is actually transcribing at the moment, see? So it's going to take some time to go and take what we just taught it and put into a mode. I'm going to interrupt and save just now. So save, and now it's going to show us the voice recording. So I'm going to play this back to you guys now, so you can hear it.
External microphone using the adapter just there, with 3.5mm jack, so similar to the microphone I'm using here, and it allows you to record. A great feature if you're at an event or need to capture audio from afar. So when you're ready to listen, connect your headphones to speakers through the same jack.
As you can see, great quality sound. You can also see the transcript below as well that it's done. So you can see it comes out very, very, very well as well, and saves on there. So, you know, as you can see, navigating the R1 is super easy with its high definition touchscreen. It also supports traditional button controls on the back there, which is just there. So it's fully customizable though. So if you prefer visual cues, you'll have the real-time sound wave monitoring, which I just showed you before. Gives you feedback on volume levels during recording. Super useful for ensuring your audio is coming through right. Now the R1 itself also supports a 6-digit password lock. So you just do that by going to the general settings and pressing the button. So you can set the code so your files are safe and private, which is very, very important. If you use this, lose this, and you've got all your files on there, it would be a nightmare, wouldn't it? So again, one of the standout features is the offline speech-to-text transcription. As you saw before, it automatically converts your recordings into a text, making note-taking a breeze. I'll just show you a quick demo now again of how this works. I'll show you how I'm going to record it, how it transcribes the audio, and how you can then share it through Wi-Fi using the text. So we're going to go and start by doing a recording now. So hold it down for 2 seconds. So 1, 2, and it's going to start recording. So we've got STD text on. STD is basically the transcription text that transcribes it. You can see I'm talking at the moment. We could put a T mark there as well, which is put a mark. So basically, we put a remark there about what we thought as it was going. Let it go along as it's talking. So as you can see, it's very, very efficient. You can also put it this way as well if you wish to have a look when you want later to look at the transcription. Let's pause it now and let's ask it to actually save it and create the transcription. So save. So we'll wait for it. So basically what it says is it's got to finish a transcription whilst doing the voice recording. So let's do this thing there. Now, as you can see, there's the text as I'm writing. So just saved it just there. So the file's on the recorder, and there it is.
STT is basically the transcription text that transcribes it. You can see I'm talking at the moment. We can put a T mark there as well, which is put a mark. So basically, we put a remark there about what we thought as it was going. Let it go along as it's talking. So as you can see, it's very, very efficient. You can also put it this way as well if you wish to have a look when you want later to look at the transcription.
So there's an example of how it looks with the transcription. As you can see, very, very efficient. So what I love about this is the different modes you've got too. As you can see, it wasn't that easy. It takes your voice, transcribes it, you can save it and then use it ongoing. But also the storage in this. It's got 72 gig of storage inbuilt. With that, you're set for hours of recording, up to 720 hours to be exact. And if you need more, the R1 also supports 1 terabyte expandable storage via SD card. The 1100 mAh battery also lasts for 25 hours too. So this is great if you're at university, you want long classes, you're a lecturer, you're a doctor, you want to use it for meetings. You can use it over and over and over again without having to worry about charging it. And that's great battery life, guys, for such a small device. All right, let's see this in action again. So press meeting mode and press record. Right away, it picks up my voice with clarity. So let's do another example of how it's going to work now using meeting mode. Okay, the great thing about the R1 voice recorder is you can record anywhere, anytime. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen at the moment. Actually, I've got a call coming through on my phone. Hello, Arbs? Are you there? How you going? Would you mind, I'm actually recording at the moment, would you mind if I record a quick conversation on my R1 transcript provider here?
Sure.
Okay, I'm going to do it now. So guys, I'm going to record this conversation talking to Arbs quickly. And what we're going to do is you're going to be able to see how it actually works with having two people talking. So Arbs, whereabouts are you at the moment?
At home working.
Where's at home?
Manila, Philippines.
Manila, Philippines. And what's it like over there at the moment? Is it very nice?
No, the sun is still not out.
Oh, poor guy.
It's a bit cloudy.
So I might stop it just there, Arbs. We're going to see how it sounds. Would you want to hear how it sounds too? So I've paused it, and I'm going to play it back to us. So let's do that now. So it's also transcribed it too. So let's go and have a look.
Two people talking. So whereabouts are you at the moment?
At home working.
Where's at home?
See how clear that sounds? Isn't it clear, Arbs?
Manila, Philippines.
Very,
What's
very
it like
clear.
over there at the moment? Is it very nice?
As you can see, the recording is very, very clear, but you can also see where we've done the transcript there. See at the bottom there? How it's transcribed the conversation as well. So his voice is clear as mine, which is great. So works well. You hit the button and you start transcribing anytime, anywhere. If you're looking for a reliable, high-tech voice recorder, the InnoAces R1 has it all. Multiple recording modes, high storage capacity, offline transcription, and a user-friendly design. It's ideal for anyone who needs a versatile recording solution that's also compact and stylish. So guys, if you want to elevate your recording game, I recommend you give this a go. The price is actually really good as well for the technology you're getting. So grab your InnoAces R1 with exclusive discount for my viewers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews. And guys, we really appreciate using this here. Thanks for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.